At the top of the show, of course, we were talking about Ranbir Kapoor and how he's learnt his lessons on love and how he keeps mum. Well, we've got an extended version of that for you, where, of course, he's not only talking about how he keeps mum, a lot more. His movies, and, of course, the awards that are coming around to him. He can see the nominations coming in.
Well, the award season is just about to start, and we have with us Ranbir Kapoor, who is obviously the clear front runner when it comes to Best Actor awards this year, isn't it, Ranbir?
I don't know, but thank you for that compliment. I think I find more happiness in the fact that Barfi has worked so well in the box office. People have loved the film so much. When the award season comes, there's so many great films, so many great performances. One has to win. That doesn't mean the other performances are bad or the other films are bad. So hopefully, we'll get lucky at the awards. Well, it feels great, that the amount of hard work and love that I put in my movies is reciprocated well by the audience. But a lot of people keep telling me that why do I try and experiment, with these kind of movies? Why don't I do more commercial films? But these films are commercial for me. These are not experiments. And actors get too much credit here. To be honest, we get more credit than we deserve. There are so many people who work behind us, to make us look how we are, to make us perform how we are. And we run away with all these awards and such, kind words by you. But it feels great. I'm an actor, so anything kind said towards me, I'll always, feel good about it. So, yeah.
What is this with modesty and the Kapoors? All the Kapoors seem to be extremely modest.
I don't think my father's modest. You talk to him. He'll actually, if you tell him something like this, he'll give it back to you. So yeah, but I'm not trying to be modest. This is the way I am, and this is the way I believe. I don't take success to my head or failure to my heart.
You would be performing and we understand you'd be performing with your mom. Now that's something to look forward to, isn't it?
Absolutely. Colors, we all sat together and we came up with this really wonderful idea to, since we are celebrating 100 years of cinema, to kind of honor my family's work in the film industry. So I'm performing to songs, from by Mr. Raj Kapoor, Mr. Shami Kapoor, Mr. Shashi Kapoor, Mr. Rishi Kapoor, and finally myself. So yes, mom is going to be performing on Parda Hai Parda and Ek Mein Aur Ek Tu. Really looking forward to it. Of course, I can't match my father's passion and enthusiasm and talent. But I guess my mother being on stage, I'll take away attention from me, so I can goof up and I can relax there, because she's really such a wonderful performer and she's not done something like this ever. I don't think she's ever performed on stage. So more than anybody else, I look forward to it. So I'm very excited कि मुझे बेशरम में मौका मिल रहा है. We are not related in the movie. My father plays a havaldar, my mother plays a police inspector, and I play a car thief जो गाड़ियों को चुराता है. So it's a nice comic action thriller romantic film, and it has a nice surprise twist in the end. So really looking forward to.
रिसेंटली आपके बारे में बहुत सारी चीजें लिखी जाती है. आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे? मतलब बे न्यू ईयर सेलिब्रेशन भी कोई पार्टी में अलग अलग टैबलॉइड्स में कुछ ना कुछ लिखा जाता है. आप उसको कैसे देखते हैं?
जो भी मैं कहना चाहूँ बर्बाद करेंगे अल्फाज मेरे, तो मैं इसके आगे क्या कहूँ? To be honest, it's nobody's business. I'm not saying it's true or untrue, but मैं हर साल न्यूयॉर्क जाता हूँ क्योंकि मैं न्यूयॉर्क में पढ़ा था. मेरे बहुत सारे दोस्त हैं from around the world who come to New York. I love that city. I work very hard through the year. तो एक मौका मिलता है New Year's में to go back to that place that you like, relaxing and unwinding. So yeah, I always celebrate New Year's in New York.